Looking for expert water heater inspection in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we ensure your water heater operates efficiently, safely and reliably year-round. Sediment buildup, faulty components or leaks can lead to costly repairs and higher energy bills. Our water heater inspection service helps detect potential issues early, preventing breakdowns and keeping your hot water supply consistent. In Strathcona County, hard water and seasonal changes can put extra stress on your system. That's why our certified technicians provide a detailed inspection, checking heating elements, pressure valves, and overall system health to ensure peak performance. With Kingstree Plumbing, you get expert service, upfront pricing, and fast scheduling. Book your water heater inspection today. Call now or schedule online.